The Kawasaki Vulcan 500 is not just a bike, it is a legend on two wheels. This machine was built for riders who respect true cruiser power. Its design immediately grabs attention wherever it goes. The low stance gives it a royal road presence. Every curve of this bike tells a story of engineering excellence. The moment you look at it, you feel pure excitement. It is not made for speed only, it is made for experience. The Vulcan 500 connects rider and road like a bond. Its engine delivers smooth and controlled power. The sound of ignition itself feels powerful. Every start feels like a new journey beginning. This bike is designed for comfort and long rides. The seating position feels natural and relaxed. Even long-distance riding feels effortless. The handlebars give perfect control in every situation. Its balance is one of the strongest features. City rides feel light and smooth. Highway rides feel stable and confident. The engine responds with pure precision. Every twist of throttle brings satisfaction. This is not just transport, it is emotion. The Kawasaki Vulcan 500 builds rider confidence instantly. Its cruiser identity is timeless and iconic. The chrome finishing gives it premium beauty. Every detail is carefully designed. Nothing about this bike feels ordinary. It is built for those who love the road. Its presence demands respect on streets. Even standing still, it looks alive. The design reflects classic motorcycle culture. It carries the spirit of real motorcycling. The suspension makes every ride comfortable. Road bumps feel almost invisible. Braking is smooth and reliable. Safety and performance go hand in hand. This bike is perfect for daily use and touring. It performs equally well in all conditions. Fuel efficiency makes it practical as well. Maintenance is simple and budget-friendly. It is not just a machine, it is a lifestyle. Riding it feels like freedom itself. The wind becomes part of the experience. The road feels endless when you ride it. It gives a peaceful yet powerful feeling. Every ride becomes memorable. It builds a strong emotional connection with rider. This bike is trusted by riders worldwide. It is known for reliability and strength. The Vulcan 500 stands out in cruiser category. It is not flashy, it is classy. Its identity is pure motorcycle heritage. The engine stays smooth even at high speed. It never feels unstable or weak. Every gear shift feels smooth and controlled. The ride quality is consistent and strong. It is built for real-world riding experience, not for show only, but for real performance. It respects rider comfort above everything. Long journeys become enjoyable with it. The seat cushioning supports perfect posture. Wind flow feels balanced on highways. It reduces rider fatigue completely. Every ride feels like a new adventure. It carries old-school cruiser charm, yet it still feels modern in performance. It is a machine with personality. It feels alive when you ride it. The sound gives goosebumps to bike lovers. Every acceleration feels satisfying. It delivers power in a smooth way. There is no sudden roughness in its nature. It is calm but powerful at the same time. That balance makes it special. It is built for true motorcycle lovers. Riding it gives inner peace and excitement. Together, every kilometer feels enjoyable. It never feels boring on road. This bike creates memories. Not just rides, the Vulcan 500 is more than transportation. It is passion, emotion, and freedom. Every rider feels proud owning it. It represents strength and simplicity together. It is a classic that never dies. Even today, it looks iconic and fresh. It is a true cruiser masterpiece. The Kawasaki Vulcan 500 is respect on wheels.